We're outdoors in the armpit of America in the woods next to a cemetery. It'd be a spooky scenario here if it were dark and Halloween. So on the left we got the Sony XG500, and on the right we have the W King T9. T9 is in its EQ1 mode, which has more bass, and the XG500 is in its mega bass mode. So let's start at 40%, and we'll start with the T9. You'll be able to tell which speaker's on because the T9 lights will be on when it's on. Here we go, 40%. You'll hear some ambient noises, crickets and birds, and maybe even a car in the distant road. XG500. T9. They sound pretty close at 40%. Even in EQ1 mode, the T9 is still a little bit brighter. T9. Switch tracks. Let's go up to 60%. XG500 is a little bit bassier. XG500 has a little warmer sound, a little fuller. Switch tracks. Go up to 80%. XG500. T9. Car in the background. XG500. I'm coming right away, my dear. Let's go up to 100%. Still on the XG500. XG500. T9. Track, still 100%. XG500. T9.
That's all right.
So there you go. You compare these two at max volume, the T9 is actually a little bit louder because it's brighter. The XG500 has a warmer sound, so you don't have as much detail or volume in the highs. So it is bassier. It does have better bass output, but at the price difference, which is huge, I won't even go into that. The XG500, I will say, when I use it in extra bass mode, and then I EQ up the mids and the highs even a little more through third-party EQ. You can't do that within the Sony app, because if you try to use custom EQ, which is only 3-band, it disables the extra bass. So it kind of gimps the Sony app, in my opinion, so I don't even bother using it. So anyway, that's a comparison of the two outdoors. Like if you're going to do some tailgating or barbecuing or something, and you want to throw this in the back of your truck or your SUV, that's what you got. That T9 is a pretty attractive offer when it's around $100 for what it does. So that's the comparison of the two outdoors. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Everybody stay safe. And that's a wrap.